Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make videos with AI and how to make your video super hit on YouTube. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's easier than you think, and I'm going to walk you through the full procedure step by step. First of all, you need to have an idea for your video. What do you want to talk about? What is your niche? Who is your target audience? You need to have a clear vision of what kind of video you want to create and what value you want to provide to your viewers. You can use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, or TubeBuddy to find out what topics are popular and relevant in your niche. Once you have an idea, you need to write a script for your video. This is where AI comes in handy. You can use tools like Jarvis.ai, Copy.ai, or WriteSonic to generate a script for your video based on your keywords and tone. These tools use natural language processing and deep learning to create engaging and persuasive scripts that will capture your audience's attention and keep them hooked. You can also edit and customize the script as you like. After you have a script, you need to record your video. You can use any camera or smartphone that has good quality and sound. You can also use a microphone, a tripod, and some lighting equipment to improve your production value. You can also use AI tools like Lovo.ai, Descript, or Synthesia to create voiceovers or animations for your video based on your script. These tools use text-to-speech and computer vision to generate realistic and expressive voices and characters that will make your video more dynamic and entertaining. Finally, you need to edit your video. You can use any software that you are comfortable with, such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or iMovie. You can also use AI tools like InVideo, Capwing, or Lumen 5 to edit your video automatically based on your script and keywords. These tools use artificial intelligence and machine learning to create stunning and professional videos that will impress your viewers and boost your engagement. You can also add music, transitions, effects, captions, and thumbnails to make your video more appealing and attractive. And that's it. You have just created a video with AI and made it super hit on YouTube. Congratulations! Now you can upload your video to YouTube and share it with the world. Don't forget to optimize your title, description, tags, and hashtags for SEO and social media. You can also use AI tools like vidIQ, TubeBuddy, or MorningFame to analyze your performance and get insights on how to improve your channel and grow your audience. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of videos you want me to make next with AI. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!